This is Scott the Rebuilder back for episode 4. The day has arrived. You need to purchase an alternator or starter, and there are many choices. How can you make a good decision? Let's talk this through. You can go to a salvage yard or a recycling center, get a used alternator or starter. That can be a very good choice. You can save a lot of money, particularly if you can be assured that the unit came from a low mileage salvage unit. That can save you many hundreds of dollars. The downside, you probably need your starter or alternator right away. It might take a few days for it to get shipped in. And on occasion, at least in my experience, they've done a poor job of packaging and it arrives broken. Not always by any means, but it does happen. Take that into account. Let's go all the way over here to this beautiful set of boxes. These represent OEM genuine parts. They have spent millions of dollars to give you the best possible piece, and I must say they do a very good job. You might say, why are you trying to sell me something new from an original equipment manufacturer when you are a rebuilder? I want you to have the best piece possible. That's where it is. What's the downside? Price tag. It can be high. Once again, not always. Sometimes they're reasonable, but a lot of times it's the highest price piece out there. And with time, there will come a day when what you need is no longer available from the original equipment supplier. That takes us to online new aftermarket sales. Many of you are heading that direction. Why? Number one, the price. I can't compete with it. The parts house can't compete with it. Very rarely will you find a cheaper price than on the internet. What's the downside? Well, there will be hundreds of choices. There will be one for $40 and one for $400 and everything in between. You're going to wonder, which one's good? Which one's bad? That puts you in a tough spot. For me, I buy from basically 5 suppliers. And I can buy new aftermarket pieces that I have confidence in because I know my suppliers. You will not have that luxury. You'll have to take a shot in the dark, hope for the best. Will there be a problem with shipping? Do you have time? Likely your starter or alternator failed when you weren't expecting it. Do you have 2 to 5 to 7 to 14 days to wait for its arrival? Always you'll probably find a great price. Whether it's the right idea or not, debatable. That brings you to remanufactured or rebuilt. Let's talk about those two words. Let's do some clarification here. Should you be worried about whether it's rebuilt or remanufactured? No. There's no clear path to a definition as being one different than the other. Maybe there's someone who's tried to differentiate the two. Not here. I think it's like talking about the difference between cantaloupe and muskmelon. Does it really matter? I put it this way. When a remanufactured unit leaves my shop, it has been completely disassembled, completely cleaned, all of the rust removed, and new parts assembled to bring it back to near original. That remanufacturing process has been accomplished by a rebuilder. Does that make it clear? Those are some of your options. You will want to think about warranty, and you will. I know that weighs heavily on your minds. When you hear something that seems too good to be true, probably is. When you hear the words limited lifetime warranty, don't forget the first word. It is limited. And you may want to ask, if this fails, how long is the warranty on the second one? Yes, consider warranty, but should it be at the top of your list? Probably not. All of this having been said, you have some choices to make, and I believe that a Reman alternator or starter can be a very good choice. It can be nearly as good as an OEM. After all, the majority of the parts are still original equipment parts. They've just been cleaned and reassembled with new quality parts. And so I believe this can be an economical, quality piece. Be sure and hit the bell, subscribe, tune in next time. We're going to do a full shop tour and tell a big fish story.